In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt with Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Let's get started. I start on the home screen and open the Settings app. I scroll down past the initial settings blocks and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, I scroll down to the extension section at the bottom and tap on Chatgpt. Inside the Chatgpt extension menu, I make sure the Use Chatgpt toggle is turned on. At the very bottom, there's a button to open the standalone Chatgpt app, which I tap. Now that the Chatgpt app is open, I can see the main interface with suggestions like follow the World Cup, create an image, and write or edit, along with a text field at the bottom to ask Chatgpt. I activate Siri by double-tapping the bottom bar to bring up the Type to Siri interface, showing the glowing Apple Intelligence border. I type my prompt, asking for 20 creative Instagram username ideas for a travel account, and press Enter. Apple Intelligence processes the request, and a prompt pops up saying, "I'll need to use Chatgpt to write that." Should I go ahead? I tap the Use Chatgpt button. The screen shows a Working with Chatgpt status bar at the top as it communicates with the extension. Within moments, the glowing border appears again, and Chatgpt generates the list of 20 creative username ideas directly within the interface, starting with Wander Map, Globehopper, and Roam Daily, all the way down to Travel Trove. I scroll down through the list to review the options, which include names like Passport Chronicles, Horizon Hunter, and Roaming Vista. I clear the text field to prepare for a new request. Next, I activate Siri again using the Type to Siri feature, which pulls up the glowing edge animation. I type a new prompt asking for a simple 30-day savings challenge for beginners. Once again, the system recognizes the need for the extension and asks for permission. I tap Use Chatgpt to proceed. The status bar indicates that it is working with the extension, and the interface glows as it fetches the response. Chatgpt successfully provides a complete breakdown of the savings challenge. Day 1 to 5 saving 20 pesos each day. Day received 6 to 10 saving 30 pesos, increasing incrementally every 5 days up to day 26 to 30 saving 70 pesos daily. It notes that by the end of 30 days, I will have saved 1,350 pesos, advising to start small and gradually increase to build the habit without feeling pressured. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.